Have you ever done this? You sit down, you open YouTube, you watch an English video, and you understand everything, every single word. You feel great. You feel confident. You think, okay, I'm getting good at this.
And then someone at school, or at work, or at the coffee shop asks you something in English, and your brain just stops. Like a phone with no signal. Like a song that suddenly pauses. Like a computer that suddenly freezes. You understood everything 5 minutes ago.
But now, nothing. Why does this happen? Stay with me, because today, we are going to fix that.
Okay, let's be honest for a second. Most people learn English by reading, or by watching videos, or by memorizing grammar rules. And look, that helps. But there is one thing that most English learners almost never do. And it's the most important thing. They never listen and speak at the same time.
Think about this. How did you learn your first language? You didn't read grammar books as a baby. You didn't memorize vocabulary lists. You just listened every single day for months. And then, slowly, you started speaking. Your brain copied what it heard. Your mouth started making the same sounds. It felt natural because it was natural. That's how language works.
And English is the exact same. Your ears teach your mouth. Not books, not grammar rules. Your ears.
Think about this. How did you learn your first language? You didn't read grammar books as a baby. You didn't memorize vocabulary lists. You just listened every single day for months. And then, slowly, you started speaking. Your brain copied what it heard. Your mouth started making the same sounds. It felt natural because it was natural. That's how language works.
And English is the exact same. Your ears teach your mouth. Not books, not grammar rules. Your ears.
So today, that's exactly what we're doing. We are going to listen together. We are going to repeat together 100 real, natural, everyday English sentences. Short ones, easy ones, sentences from real life, from cafes, from classrooms, from conversations, from phone calls. And every time I say a sentence, you repeat it out loud.
Even if your pronunciation feels a little wrong, even if your voice sounds a little quiet, say it. Because saying it once out loud is worth more than reading it 100 times in silence. Ready? Let's start.
Let's start simple. Morning sentences. The kind of English you use every single day. Repeat after me. 1. Good morning. 2. How are you? 3. I'm fine, thank you. 4. What time is it? 5. I'm running late. 6. I need coffee. 7. See you later. 8. Have a good day. 9. I'm tired today. 10. Me too. The most honest 2 words in the English language. Me too.
11. Did you eat? 12. Not yet. 13. I'll do it later. 14. That sounds good. 15. I'm almost ready. 16. Let me check. 17. I forgot. 18. No worries. 19. I'll be right back. 20. Talk to you later.
Great! That was the first 20. How does it feel? Your mouth is starting to move, right? Your tongue is remembering. That's your brain learning. Keep going. Now let's do school and work sentences. Real situations. Real conversations. 21. Can you repeat that? 22. I don't understand. 23. Can you explain that again? 24. When is the deadline? 25. I have a question.
26. Is this correct? 27. I need more time. 28. Can you help me? 29. I think I understand now. 30. Thank you for explaining.
31. Sorry, I'm confused. 32. That makes sense. 33. I'll try my best. 34. Can I ask something? 35. I think I made a mistake.
36. How do I say this?
37. I'm still learning. 38. Please be patient with me. 39. I understand a little. 40. I'm getting better.
Okay, this next section is very important because most people learn English from textbooks, but real English sounds like this. 41. What are you up to? 42. Nothing much. 43. That's so funny. 44. I know, right? 45. Are you serious?
46. No way. 47. That's crazy. 48. Tell me more. 49. I missed you. 50. Let's hang out.
51. Where do you want to go? 52. I don't mind. 53. Whatever you want. 54. That sounds fun. 55.
I'm in. 56. Send me the link. 57. Check your phone. 58. I'll text you. 59. Did you see this? 60. This is hilarious.
Now, let's go outside. Real-world situations. Places where English makes people nervous. But not you. Not anymore. 61. Excuse me. 62. How much is this? 63. Can I try this? 64. Do you have a smaller size? 65. I'll take this one.
66. Can I pay by card? 67. Keep the change. 68. Where is the bathroom? 69. Can I get a bag? 70. Sorry, can I pass?
71. Is this seat taken? 72. Can you take a photo of me? 73. I'm just looking. Thanks. 74. What do you recommend? 75. That was delicious.
This last section is my favorite. Because these sentences are real. Not textbook English. Not formal English. Real, honest, human English. The kind of sentences that actually matter.
76. I'm nervous. 77. I'm excited. 78. I don't know what to say. 79. I feel a little lost. 80. I need a moment.
81. That was hard. 82. But I did it. 83. I'm proud of myself. 84. I'm still trying. 85. Mistakes are okay.
86. I'll get better. 87. English is getting easier. 88. I understand more now. 89. I'm not afraid anymore. 90. I can do this.
91. One step at a time. 92. Every day gets better. 93. I enjoy speaking English. 94. I want to keep learning. 95. I'm getting more confident.
96. English is part of my life. 97. I speak English every day. 98. My English is improving. 99. I am an English speaker. And the last one, 100. I did it.
I want to say something before we finish. Something I really mean. Learning a new language is hard. Not because the language is difficult, but because of fear. Fear of sounding wrong. Fear of people laughing. Fear of making mistakes in front of others. And that fear is real.
I understand it. Most people understand it. You are not alone in that feeling. But here is what I want you to remember. Every fluent English speaker, every one of them, was once exactly where you are right now. They felt confused. They felt embarrassed. They forgot simple words. They translated sentences in their head. They avoided conversations. They stayed quiet when they wanted to speak. Every single one of them. But they kept going. One day, then another, then another. And slowly, without even noticing, English became theirs. And it will become yours too.
You already said 100 sentences today. 100. Think about that. A few months ago, maybe even a few weeks ago, you might not have done that. But you did it today. That is not small. That is growth. That is confidence. That is your English life beginning.
So tomorrow, come back. Listen again. Repeat again. Speak again. Not because you have to, but because every time you do, you are becoming the version of yourself who speaks English naturally, confidently, without fear. And honestly, that version of you is closer than you think.
Thank you for listening today. Thank you for speaking today. And I'll see you in the next one.